Okay, today I'm gonna do my first detail job on my wife's Pilot. It's in rough shape. You can kind of see where we're at here. See what I can do with everything I've learned in my education of washing and polishing. It'll be my first time that we're gonna have to try to do something with, but got a nice scratch there. Let's see what we can do with this. It's the first time I'm using the Bauer dual action. First time I'm polishing, using 2-bucket method to wash it. See how it goes. Here I'm pre-soaking using the items that I put in the description. First I'm doing the tires, then I'm doing the rims, using bleach white here. After that, I get into soaking the vehicle and doing a wash. Here's the foamer that I got. Next, I'm using the Chemical Guys Bear Claw and the microfiber bug sponge. That stepladder is cool. I got that from Harbor Freight. Oh, here's clay barring. Everybody uses Quick Detailer, but I don't bother. I just use the same soap that was in the Chemical Guys suds. That's at least what I saw in a bunch of videos that people were doing. Clay barring is the part that takes forever, but you can clay bar anything, windows, plastics. Just don't drop it, because then you gotta throw it out. Drying it up. And now here's where I'm using the Bauer dual action polisher. I'm going a lot slower in real life, but I didn't want to waste time boring people to death. And I'm using the VSS 1-step from Chemical Guys, along with the Hex, I believe orange medium coarse pad. That's a cool roller step that I got from Harbor Freight too. Roller seat. Here I'm using the VRP with the Chemical Guys applicator to dress the tires. So I won't know for a couple days or maybe a week to see how good this was, but it went on really well and it was really easy with the applicator pad. The goal here was so that nothing sprays off the tire. Here we have a before and after view from the back and front tire. Now I'm not gonna lie, I got tired. I was thinking about doing a wax with some carnauba wax, but I used McGuire's Ultimate spray wax and did the whole car, and followed up with the Armor All Restore Outlast Restore for the plastic and trim pieces, and you kind of see how it's a little worn on that side. every review I read was that this stuff was really good, so I decided to give it a try. We'll see how it goes. I probably put too much on, to be honest, where it could have, you know, took the excess off. At least that's what the directions say. But here's a all-around look. You can definitely tell it shines. You see my patio set in the back. Umbrella. Tires look good. I did clean the rims a little bit more compared to the video. Just going around the car. Pretty proud of my first ever attempt to detail a vehicle. Some things I'll try to improve on is just being better with the amount of PSS I use per section. But overall, I'm very happy with how good the car looks. Here's a still shot. I wanted to add how the polisher foam pads are cleaned. I got this Chemical Guys pad cleaner that I didn't know existed because I never thought about actually cleaning the pad after using it, but it's got a citrus scent and it cleans great. I mean, that's how clean it was. So overall, thank you, Ray, for watching.